Okay, prove that the sum of three consecutive integers is divisible by 3. Okay, so in this case, it's just three consecutive integers, for instance, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and we're going to add them because it's saying the sum of them. So if I add these here, that comes to 12, and that is divisible by 3, isn't it? Yeah, because you can do 12 divided by 3, and you get 4. Okay, so any three consecutive integers, so for instance then 7, 8 and 9, if I add them together there, I get 24, and that is divisible by 3, eh? Okay, you divide it by 3 without leaving a remainder, and you get 8. Okay, so we could try any number of combinations here, okay, of three consecutive integers, okay, but there's an infinite amount of them. All right, so we'd have to go on and on forever. So to prove it for all three sort of consecutive integers, all the different combinations we can have, or the infinite amount, okay, to prove it, we're going to look at it algebraically. So if we consider, okay, a particular integer, and we'll say n equals k, right? So we'll just consider the integer k, right? K could be anything. So then the next one, so if we've got integer k, the next one to it, okay, the next one along will be k plus 1, won't it? Okay, and then the one after that, okay, will be k plus 2. So these will be then three consecutive integers. Okay, so I'm just adding 1 onto k, and then I'm adding 2 onto k, so you've got three consecutive integers. Now if we look at the sum of them, k plus 1 plus k plus 2, so all you've got to do here is bring the k's together, which would be 3k, and then the numbers together, 1 and 2 is 3. Okay, so 3k plus 3, and you can see there it's got a common factor of 3, so I can take that out, okay, and write it like that. So that means the sum then is a multiple of 3. So if it's a multiple of 3, that means obviously you can divide it by 3 without leaving a remainder. So divide by 3 without leaving remainder. Okay, so it's important that we use that word divisible, okay, because that's what divisible means. Divisible means you can divide it without leaving a remainder. So it's divisible by 3.